Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be building out a brand for my vlogging channel. Also, I have no idea what I'm going to title this video yet because that is a really long title and it sounds kind of lame. So hopefully when you're watching this, the title is something cooler than that. But yeah, in case you guys didn't know, your girl has a vlogging channel, but my vlogging channel is very lame, very boring. Well, I think the vlogs are pretty spicy, not gonna lie, shameless self-plug. I really just need a brand direction in terms of all my assets and graphics and intros and outros and stuff like that. Like nothing ties together, right? And for reference, this is my current vlogging channel. Everything is kind of all over the place. I really just don't like the way it looks. I'm using this very pretty pastel sky thing that I drew. Honestly, like at this point, it's probably been 2 years since I drew this. Plus, like, I feel like it doesn't really show much direction with this YouTube channel because I have these two vlog things on my channel, but then I just have a whole bunch of clips because I used to use this as a clips channel, and even then I didn't really post that much on it. And then it's named Catliente Twitch, which also doesn't make very much sense because it's not my Twitch account. My main account is actually the streaming content. This is my lifestyle content. And I like this profile photo. It's cute and all, but I think I kind of want to change it up a little bit. We're gonna overhaul this entire channel's graphics. So first off, starting with a profile photo, let me go onto my Twitter. I posted this banger photo the other day. I think I look mad fire. And I think this would make for a very good profile photo. If you see all these tabs here, I was just looking at a bunch of other vloggers and kind of just stalking them to see how their intros were. General vibes that I got, very clean, very simple, and very short intro that tells people to subscribe. Pokey also uses a collage as their banner, so I'm gonna kind of go somewhat alongside this vibe, but I really like boba. It's basically my only personality trait at this point, so I'm gonna work boba and the color pink into... I also really like the color blue too, so that's a little bit hard, but I'll work that into my graphics. Man, this profile photo makes me look so cool. I cannot live up to this photo. I feel like anybody who meets me IRL will just be let down. Also, with the redness on my neck, I have a skin problem. I'm allergic to heat, so yeah, that's it. It's not much deeper than that. Okay, I changed the channel to my full name now. So a lot of people are scared of making something their full name or whatever. I'm on famous birthdays, and honestly, it's whatever at this point. If you stalk me hard enough, you could probably figure out my name, so it's not that big of a deal. And then we're gonna go enable a custom URL. Ooh, this is so spicy. And then I'm gonna hit publish. Oh, I never linked my other socials. Let me go do that. All right, I got my socials linked there now. Let's go. I got this changed to my name now, so it's no longer Catliente Twitch. Got my profile photo. Now we're gonna go and have to change up all of the graphics. I'm still kind of torn as to how I really want it to look like though. So here I have Photoshop, and I'm gonna kind of mess around with it, play around with the colors and stuff like that to see if I can block it in a way where I like the way it looks. Also, when I like to go and make an overlay of some sort, I look up YouTube banner template, I save it as a transparent image so I can see where or how my text and everything is fitting. I don't love it, but I'm not mad about this. I think this is good for now, so I'm gonna go save this and upload this as my YouTube banner, and then we'll work on making a vlogging intro and outro using this template. Okay, it wasn't quite centered, but you know what? We're fine, we're fine. Okay, this looks really cute. I'm not mad about this at all. I don't know, I feel like reading my full name feels weird. I'm not used to... Maybe I should change it to Cat Pan. Maybe I'll do that. I normally don't go by my full name, that's why. Okay. I changed it to Cat Pan instead of my full name. I just don't like the way my full name looks. I guess I can't get the shortened URL. It's okay. We'll go with this one for now, but I just want it to be my nickname instead of my full name. Now how do I want this YouTube intro to look like? I want boba incorporated with this somehow. So maybe something like this, and then there's like a little boba cup here. And maybe I want it to where like the boba cup is kind of animated, and the text will be animated in Adobe After Effects too. Oh, maybe I should do it so where like the boba cup is like filling up. I could animate that. I wanted to kind of have this like sketchy hand-drawn vibe to it. So maybe it's like the boba cup is like slowly filling up. And the balls are like shaking up, turning circles. I don't know if that's making any sense. I think I'm gonna go with that. That's probably gonna be cute. Okay, so this is the final completion for the Adobe After Effects animation stuff. I think it looks pretty cute. It's relatively fast. And then I'm gonna open that in Adobe Premiere Pro just so I could add some audio. And then I have this audio track called Popular Sound Effects from Vloggers. I just found this on YouTube. And there's like a typing sound that I want to use, and I want to click audio for the subscribe. Alright, I wasn't able to find it, so I found a YouTube video that does this called mouse click sound effect. So I'm gonna look up a YouTube to MP3 converter and download the audio from there. Alright, here is, I think, what we have the final product. I like this. I think it's very cute. 10 out of 10. I like this intro. I think maybe, honestly, I can just make this a little bit bigger and center it a little bit better. Alright, and finally, for the YouTube outro, I just want a little graphic that has all my socials. It kind of bothers me how the YouTube outro thing is not centered, but whatever, it's close enough. We tried our best. I'm just so happy with how the YouTube intro turned out. But yeah, there we go. We got our rebrand down for our YouTube vlogging channel. Which, by the way, if you haven't already, you should totally like and subscribe because I'll be posting a lot of vlogs and makeup content there. And I appreciate if you like and subscribe to this channel and check me out on Twitch. And I hope to catch you guys in another video. Peace.